Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to cast screen from your Android phone onto TCL A300W TV. To do it, first make sure that your phone and your TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, and then on your phone go into settings. Then it will probably be in connections, cast, and enable use cast. Then you'll see your TV here if you are on the same network. You can click on it. Then on your TV, click on OK button to accept. And now I'm casting my screen. As you can see, I can go into different apps and I can cast the screen. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.